everyone, welcome to intelKeen Skills. Today let's understand deep copy versus shallow copy in Python using different real-time examples. Shallow copy means you copy the container but not the items inside it. Sharing the inside items changes affect both. Here, if you change the items in this, that will affect the original one also, as it is referring to same object address. Deep copy means a full independent copy of everything outside and inside. No sharing, changing do not affect the original. Here, if you change in the copied one, that won't affect the original one, as they are referring to different object addresses. And let's understand when these approaches has to use. Here, use shallow copy when performance matters and you're copying large structures. You want changes to reflect everywhere. Working with immutable nested objects. Memory efficiency is critical. In these cases, you should use shallow copy. And deep copy is used when you need complete data isolation. Preventing unintended side effects is crucial. Working with complex nested structures. Creating snapshots or backups. In these cases, you should use deep copy. This is all about the shallow copy and deep copy, the definitions and the approaches. Now let's dive into the coding. Now let's start coding to understand deep copy and shallow copy. Import copy, which is Python package to copy the items. Define the list of items. Lunch is equals to, like in lunch we will have rice, and in the nested array you can also call dal and some salads. Yeah. Copy this lunch object to a variable named shallow using copy.copy, which is used to shallow copy. Let's comment like shallow copy. Now deep copy that same object into the another variable named deep is equals to copy.deepcopy lunch, which is used to deep copy the items. Now let's change the shallow and let's check the output. Shallow of 1 dot append. We'll add curd. Let's say curd. And let's print all the items like original one, shallowed one which we have changed, and the deep one. Print like take original and print lunch. Okay. Next, copy the same and here, which is shallow, print shallow, deep, print deep. Yeah. Now as we have changed shallowed one, means that should also reflect to the original one. Means the original array also contains curd. Now let's see the output. Yeah, I'm really sorry, I forgot to keep comma here. Let's rerun again. See here, curd is added in original and also in the shallowed one. Because shallow copy will reflect the items that we have changed to the original one also. Now let's change that to deep. Now the original one remains the same, only the deep one will get changed. The curd will added in only the deep see here. That is about the shallow and deep copy coding example.